Yung PMO lang, no? Yung PMO lang sila, no?
Non-farm. Illegal, no?
Pero yung ministry, hindi, no?
Ay, hindi. Kasi ang ginawa,
Okay, good morning. Good morning, my fellow workers in the government. Today, we'll be having our bidding process for goods and related services to open 13 goods and related services, October 24. So, again, good morning, and also good morning to our partner in the development. Also with our observer from the Commission on Audit. So the first order of our business will be the prayer submitted to us by Lord Grace Malaysia. So please let us start.
Almighty, we come before you today in humility and faith. We thank you for all you have given us and for many blessings in your lives. We ask for your guidance and wisdom during this holy feast. Help us remember that true public service starts with honesty, and all things we are doing are for your glory. Give us the patience and understanding to face life's challenges with grace. Amen.
Thank you, Ma'am Igor. So the next order will be the reading of the attendance. We will relate to us by Sir Engineer Ninoy. So, I'm sorry, we will read by Sir Arantino.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you, sir. Before we proceed to the next agenda of this meeting, which is the roll call, I would like to inform this committee what transpired during the drafting of bids. The deadline of drafting of bids is 10 o'clock a.m. today, and before the deadline, we have received 13 bids, and the bid box must contain 13 envelopes. For the attendance, for the back members, Sir Levi D. Trabado, the Assistant District Engineer, back chairperson, Asrindia Lanka, Engineer 3, back vice chairperson, PTS Duruin, back regular member, Sir Abdelrudin AM Patwan, CSEE, back regular member, Sir Joe Rolandi Balino, back regular member, Rinaldo Sigurdiano, back professional member, and Rinaldo G. Castor, back professional member, and user. For the back technical working group, we have Oliver E. Magluyan, back TWG member, Diana Rose Vista, back TWG member, Ivor Q. Paplivar, back TWG member, and Maritil Kilia, back TWG member. For the back secretariat, we have Sir Anthony P. Dimen, the head of the procurement staff, Franco Rivalsi Lurizo, member, and yours truly, Alamin Freno, back secretariat member. For the observer, we have Madari Disunumba from COA. As for the bidders, we have JB Constep represented by Jerome Tionco and CBC Square Builders Corporation represented by Joey S. Cobreros. As to the columnist, sir, we have 7 out of 7, and we're giving you back the floor, Sir Chairman, for the declaration of columnist, sir.
Okay, thank you, Sir Alan. So, since our attendance is in quorum, so let us now officially open the bidding for today. So by the authority in me vested, I now declare this bidding process today is open at 10:23 in the morning. So after we have officially opened, we'll now proceed to the bidding process, for which I would like to assist us the opening of bid box from the Representative Commission on Audit and the DWG. After opening the bid box, let us now proceed to the opening and reading of the technical and financial envelope of our bidders. So may we request the DWG who will be who will open and read our bidding documents.
Okay, good morning everyone. Let's now open the documents for the contract ID number 24GMH114, supply delivery of diesel fuel for use of service vehicle assigned at planning and design section, DPWH Sultan Kudarat 2nd District of Philippines. Opening the technical component of Lebak Petrol Service Station for contract ID number 24JMA0114. The documents are project registration Platinum, attached and valid, certificate of registration, attached and valid, DTI, attached and valid, business permit, attached and valid, tax clearance certificate, attached and valid, list of ongoing projects, attached and signed, LCC, attached and signed, bid securing declaration, dated October 23, 2024, sealed and signed, technical specification, attached and signed, delivery schedule, attached and signed, after sales service reports, attached and signed, omnibus statement and items, sealed and signed, NFCC, attached and signed, audited financial statement, attached and signed.
The technical documents of Lebak Petrol Service Station for ID for GMH 114 is
Let's now open the financial component of Lebak Petrol Service Station for contract ID number 24JMH114. The documents are bid form, attached and signed, bill of quantities, attached and signed. Bid amount 305,000 pesos only. Bid amount 305,000 pesos only. No discount offered, validity to 120 days. So for the next contract, we have a loan bidder for contract ID number 24JMH115. So let's now open the let's now open the documents of Lebak Petrol Service Station for contract ID number 24JMH115. The documents are project registration Platinum, attached and valid, certificate of registration, attached and valid, BTI, attached and valid, business permit, attached and valid. Tax clearance certificate, attached and valid. List of ongoing projects, attached and signed. SLCC, attached and signed. Bid securing declaration dated October 23, 2024, attached and sealed and signed. Technical specification, attached and signed. Delivery schedule, attached and signed. After sales service, attached and signed. Omnibus statement and items, sealed and signed. NFCC, attached and signed. Audited financial statement, attached and signed.
Technical documents of Lebak Petroleum Service Station, Gapok ID 24JMH 115, checklist of tasks.
Let's now open the financial component of Lebak Petroleum Service Station for contract ID number 24JMH 115. The documents are bid form, attached and signed, and bill of quantities, attached and signed. Bid amount, 430,070 pesos only. 430,070 pesos only. No discount offered, validity of 120 days. For the next contract, we have also a long bidder. Opening the documents are CBC Builders, CBC Square Builders for contract ID number 24JMH 116. The documents are projects registration, platinum, attached and valid. SEC, attached and valid. Business permit, attached and valid. Tax clearance certificate, attached and valid. Certificate of registration, attached and valid. SLCC, attached and valid. List of ongoing projects, attached and valid. Bid securing declaration dated October 23, 2024, sealed and signed. Technical specification, attached and signed. Delivery schedule, attached and signed. Manpower requirements, attached and signed. After sales service, attached and signed. Omnibus statement, 10 items, sealed and signed. Audited financial statement, attached and signed, and NFCC, attached and signed.
Technical documents of CBC Square Builders, Appropriation, Gapok ID 24JMH 116, checklist of tasks.
Let's now open the financial component of CBC Square Builders for contract ID number 24JMH 116. The documents are bid form, attached and signed. Bill of quantities, attached and signed. Bid amount, 387,664 pesos only. 387,664 pesos only. No discount offered, validity of 1 days. The next contract. Let's now open the technical component of CBC Square Builders for contract ID number 24JMH 117. The documents are Pilgrim's registration, platinum, attached and valid. SEC, attached and valid. Business permit, attached and valid. Tax clearance certificate, attached and valid. Certificate of registration, attached and valid. SLCC, attached and signed. Bid securing declaration dated October 23, 2024, sealed and signed. List of ongoing projects, attached and signed. Technical specification, attached and signed. Delivery schedule, attached and signed. Manpower requirements, attached and signed. After sales service, attached and signed. Omnibus statement and items, sealed and signed. Audited financial statement, attached and duly signed, and MCC, attached and signed. List of ongoing projects.
of CBC Square Builders Corporation, Purchase Pod, Contract ID 24 GMS 117, Purchase Alpha.
So let's continue with the financial component of CBC Square Builders. For contract ID number 24GMH 117, the documents are bid form, attached and signed, and bill of quantities attached and signed. Bid amount 446,760 pesos and 50 centavos only. 446,760 pesos and 50 centavos only. No discount offered, validity of royalties. Next contract. So we have the technical component of JB Construct for contract ID number 24JMH118. The documents are Philjips registration, Platinum, attached and valid. DTI, attached and valid. Certificate of registration, attached and valid. Mayor's permit, attached and valid. Tax clearance certificate, attached and valid. List of ongoing projects, attached and signed. SLCC, attached and signed. Bid securing declaration dated October 23, 2024, sealed and signed. Technical specification, attached and signed. Delivery schedule, attached and signed. After sales service reports, attached and signed. Omnibus statement and items, sealed and signed. Audited financial statement, attached and duly signed, and NFCC, attached and signed.
Technical documents of JB Construct for contract ID 24 GMH 118,
Okay, let's now proceed with the financial component of JB Construct for contract ID number 24GMH 118. The documents are bid form, attached and signed, bill of quantities, attached and signed, detailed estimates, attached and signed, and cash flow, attached and signed. Bid amount 41,978 pesos and 86 centavos only. 41,978 pesos and 86 centavos only. No discount offered, validity of royalties. So next contract. Opening the technical component of JB Construct for contract ID number 24JH 119. The documents are Philjips registration, Platinum, attached and valid. DTI, attached and valid. Certificate of registration, attached and valid. Mayor's permit, attached and signed, attached and valid. Tax clearance certificate, attached and valid. List of ongoing projects, attached and signed. SLCC, attached and signed. Bid securing declaration dated October 23, 2024, sealed and signed. Technical specification, attached and signed. Schedule of requirements, attached and signed. Delivery schedule, attached and signed. After sales service of parts, attached and signed. Omnibus statement, 10 items, sealed and signed. Audited financial statement, attached and to be signed, and NFCC, attached and signed.
Technical documents of JB Construct for contract ID 24 GMH 119, Purchase Alpha.
Let's now proceed with the financial component of JB Construct for project number 24JMH 119. The documents are bid form, attached and signed. Bill of quantities, attached and signed. Detailed estimates, attached and signed, and cash flow, attached and signed. Bid amount 41,978 975 pesos and 50 centavos only. 41,975 pesos and 50 centavos only. No discount offered, validity over. Next contract. So we have the technical component of JV Construct for contract ID number 24JMH120. The documents are field jobs registration platinum, attached and valid. DTI, attached and valid. Certificate of registration, attached and valid. Mayor's permit, attached and valid. Tax clearance certificate, attached and valid. List of ongoing projects, attached and signed. SLCC, attached and signed. Bid security declaration, dated October 23, 2024, sealed and signed. Technical specification, attached and valid, attached and signed. Schedule of requirements, attached and signed. Delivery schedule, attached and signed. After attached and signed, omnibus on statement, 10 items, sealed and signed. Audited financial statement, attached and duly signed, and NFCC, attached and signed.
Technical documents of JV Construct for contract ID 24JMH120 as per yes
So let's now proceed to the CC, attached and valid. Business permit, attached and valid. Tax clearance certificate, attached and valid. Certificate of registration, attached and valid. SLCC, attached and signed. Bid securing declaration dated October 23, 2024, sealed and signed. List of ongoing projects, attached and signed. Technical specification, attached and signed. Delivery schedule, attached and signed. Manpower requirement, attached and signed. After sales service, attached and signed. Omnibus fund statement, 10 items, sealed and signed. Audited financial statement, attached and signed, and NFCC, attached and signed.
Technical documents of CBC's Builders Operation for contract ID 24JMH121 as per yes and pass.
Let's proceed to the financial component of CBC Square Builders for contract ID number 24JMH121. The documents are bid form, attached and signed. Bill of quantities, attached and signed. Bid amount, $41,930 pesos only. Again, 41,930 pesos only. No discount offered, validity of 120 days. For the next contract, we have CBC Square Builders for contract ID number 24JMH122. The documents are so we have contract ID number 24JMH122. The documents are field jobs registration platinum, attached and valid. SEC, attached and valid. Business permit, attached and valid. Tax clearance certificate, attached and valid. Certificate of registration, attached and valid. SLCC, attached and signed. List of ongoing projects, attached and signed. Bid securing declaration dated October 23, 2024, sealed and signed. Technical specification, attached and signed. Delivery schedule, attached and signed. Manpower requirements, attached and signed. After service, attached and signed. Omnibus earn statement and items, sealed and signed. Audited financial statement, attach and duly signed, NFCC, attach and signed.
Permission to interrupt.
Last name.
I would like to ask the DWG upon the qualification to request clear documents from these suppliers. Baka pwede po yung mga bidders natin na mag-submit po ng mga clear, hindi po yung ilang business na po na Xerox. Sa susunod, hindi po pwede. Okay. Check this one.
Okay, DWG, please take note of that.
Yes, sir. Noted.
Thank you, sir.
So, siya last name na lang. Thank you.
Okay, sir. The technical documents or CDCs were vendors, Appropriation, for contract ID 24 JMH 112, as per checklist are passed.
41,930 pesos only. Discount offer. Validity of 120 days. So for the next contract, we have JV Construct. So one bidder for contract ID number 24JMH124. The documents are Field Jobs Registration, Platinum, Attachment Value, Certificate of Registration, Attachment Value, DTI, Attachment Value, Mayor's Permit, Attachment Value, Tax Clearance Certificate, Attachment Value, List of ongoing projects, Attachment Sign, SLCC, Attachment Sign, Bid Securing Declaration, dated October 23, 2024, sealed and signed. Signed. Detailed estimates, attachment sign, and cash flow, attachment sign. Bid amount, 283,570 pesos and 11 centavos. 283,570 pesos and 11 centavos only. No discount offered, quantity of 120 days. For the next contract, we have CBC Square Builders for contract ID number 24 GMH125. The documents are Field Jobs Registration, Platinum, Attachment Value, SEC, Attachment Value, Attachment Sign, Business Permit, Attachment Value, Tax Clearance Certificate, Attachment Value, Certificate of Registration, Attachment Sign, List of ongoing projects, Attachment Sign, SLCC, Attachment Sign, Bid Securing Declaration dated October 23, 2024, sealed and signed, Technical Specification, Attachment Sign, Delivery Schedule, Attachment Sign, Manpower Requirements, Attachment Sign, After Sales Service, Attachment Sign, Omnibus Run Statement and Items, sealed and signed, Audited Financial Statement, Attachment duly signed, NFCC, Attachment signed.
The technical documents of CDCs vendors, Appropriation, for contract ID 24 JMH 125, as per checklist are passed.
And let's continue with the financial component of CBC Square Builders for contract ID number 24JMH125. The documents are bid form, attachment sign, and bid of quantities. Attachment sign. Bid amount, 357,044 pesos only. 357,044 pesos only. No discount offer, validity of 120 days. For the next contract, we have a loan leader. We have CBC Square Leaders. For contract ID number 24JMH126. DEO Procurement attached are your Gypsum Registration, Aquino. Attached and valid. SEC. Attached and valid. Business permit. Attached and valid. Tax clearance certificate. Attached and valid. Certificate of registration. Attached and valid. List of ongoing projects. Attached and valid. SLCC. Attached and valid. Bid securing declaration dated October 23, 2024. Sealed and signed. Technical specification. Attached and signed. Delivery schedule. Attached and signed. Manpower requirement. Attached and signed. After sales service. Attached and signed. Omnibus run statement. 10 items. Sealed and signed. Audited financial statement. Attached and duly signed. And NFCC. Attached and signed.
Hindi ba document o CBC Square Leaders, Appropriation, Protocol ID 24JMH126, as per PSR Task.
Continue with the financial component of CBC Square Builders. For contract ID number 24JMH126. For we have the documents. We have bid form. Attached and signed. Bill of quantities. Attached and signed. Bid amount 148,500 pesos only. 148,500 pesos only. No discount offer, validity of 120 days. I believe we already finished our opening of our technical and financial component of the video.
Okay, thank you, Engineer Manuel. So, there are no more envelope to be opened. So, we will now proceed to other matters with any announcement from the procurement head.
For the other matters, yesterday we posted and published 11 projects, and the schedule of opening of bids is on November 13, 2024. 11 projects, sir.
November 13.
November 13, 2024.
Okay, siguro dyan sa panahon na yan, baka si Sir Raslin siguro lang muna mag-preside ng meeting kasi DELP yan, DELP, no, kung dyan sa Jensen, sa convention.
Dapat din, rapihan ko din yung pero may discussion na taas na yung COVID natin. Kasi may conduct
Okay, at least anticipated na lang. Saan? Kalawan?
Sir, for the additional pa pala, meron tayong pre-bid ngayon, sir, October 24, 2024, for the batch 3 projects. Mamaya, sir, pre-bid.
Ano alas?
Pwede man ngayon, sir, pagtapos nito, sir.
Pwede mo tayo ba?
Hmm.
Sige.
3 projects only, sir. Batch 3.
Sige, sige. Oo. So, okay. Patayin natin sila para pag i-adjourn na natin, then gawin na kagad. Kasi, so any other matters for our in connection with our bidding or bidding process. So if there are any more other matters, so we will now proceed to the adjournment of our this bidding process today. So by the authority in me listed, I now declare this bidding process of 13 goods and related services adjourned at 10:56 in the morning. Thank you and good morning again. So by the request of the majority, we have our pre-bid conference after today or today now. So wala nang lalabas siguro para makano tayo. So thank you and good morning. Okay, good morning, my fellow workers in the government, as well as our attendees of this pre-bid conference. Today we will be having our pre-bid conference on the 3 projects. These are the 25 contract ID 25MH0013, contract ID 25MH0025, contract ID 25MH0069. So these are widening, road widening, construction of leather bank, and completion of multi-purpose building. So our presenter, or shall we read the attendance no more, no? Hindi na. So we shall now start immediately to the presenter. Or I will now introduce to you our presenter from the planning and design section. With these are Engineer Sarah Jean Makasinding and Engineer Winilin Ramuran. So, ma'am, please proceed to present this pre-bid conference for these projects. Thank you and good morning.
Sir Assistant District Engineer, Sir David Trabado, Sir Hashri, Sir Boyan, Sir Dong, and to the back members, staff, and to our viewers, good morning. By the way, I'm Engineer Sarah Jane P. Makasini, and I will be presenting to you the MPV projects. With the contract ID 25BB0069, construction completion of multi-purpose building Barangay Cristian Nuevo, Lebak Sultan Kudarat, with an ABC of 2,970,000 with a duration of 90 calendar days. This project is a one-story building intended for the SK building. For the second page, we have here the perspective view, the location map, and the site development plan of the project. Next, we have here the floor plan elevations and section elevation, the detail of doors and windows of the project. This building is, I have a 11.8 meter by 9.5 meter. Next, we have the roof plan, the ceiling plan, and the spot detail of the toilet cubicle, spot detail or typical ceiling joist, and the detail of the ceilings. Next, we have the general construction note for our guidance. And for this page, we have here the foundation plan, the detail of the footing to column, the roof framing plan, and the roof beam plan, together with each section details and descriptions. Next, we have here the typical detail of our beam, the splice details of our C-purlins and angle bars, and the detail of stair-on fill. Next, we have the typical detail of our slab, and the detail or the rafter detail of our roofing, and its spot details for the connections. Next, we have here the detail of our signage. This is a concrete signage here. Next, we have here the plumbing. For plumbing works, we have here the sanitary, water, and in its isometric views. For this page, we have the detail of our septic vault, catch basin, and the spot details or the details of the connections of pipelines from vertical to horizontal, the detail of our lavatory. Next, for electrical works, we have here the power and lighting layout, the panel diagram, electrical riser and its schedules. We also have here the details for our outlets and lighting for references. Next, we have here the geohazard map of our projects. For the summary of quantities, we have here the provision of field office for the engineers, permits and clearances, project billboard / signboard, occupational safety and health, mobilization and demobilization, structure excavation, common soil, embankment from roadways / structure excavation, gravel field, structural concrete, reinforcing steel grade 40, formworks and poles works, CHB including reinforcing steel 100 mm thick, carpentry and joinery works, finishing hardware, aluminum frame glass door, swing type, aluminum glass windows, sliding, owning, and fixed type. We have also here doors, which is flash, ceiling, glazed tiles, cement plaster finish, painting works for masonry / concrete, and for steel. We also have here the fabricated metal roofing accessories, flashings, and pre-painted metal sheets, rib type, long span, structural steel, trusses, and purlins. And for metal structure accessories, we have here bolts and rods and steel plates. For plumbing works, we have several line works, storm drainage and downspout, septic bolt, plumbing fixtures, and cold water lines. For electricals, we have here conduits, boxes and fittings, wires and wiring devices, panel boards, with bead and branch breakers, and lighting fixtures. And lastly, we have here the project billboard for DPWH and COA.
So once again, good morning everyone sa lahat po na nakikinig ngayon at nanonood. So by the way, I am Engineer Kunilindira Moran. I will be presenting the contract ID 25MH0013 with the contract name Road Widening, Awang Upi, Lebak, Kalamansig, Palimbang, Sarangani Road, kilometer 1918 plus negative 590 to kilometer 1918 plus 00. So, the location of this project will be in Lebak, Sultan Kudarat with the ABC amount of 21,606,060. And we have the duration of 121 calendar days. So, let's proceed now for the detailed engineering design plan. So, I will be discussing it would be a brief discussion po. So, this project, we have 1.18 lane kilometer po siya. So, next would be the location map and the table of contents of this, the general index of this project. So, dito po natin nakikita kung ano po yung laman po ng ating project by naka-paging po siya dito. So, page 2. Next would be the quarry map. General notes, abbreviation and symbols. And on the next page, we have summary of quantities. In our earthworks, we have clearing and grubbing. We have 0.40 hectare. Removal of actual structures, less obstruction. PCCP and reinforced 0.15 thick. We have 560 square meter. Removal of structures, less obstruction of concrete. We have 98 cubic meter. Unsuitable excavation, we have 3,776.67 cubic meter. Structure excavation, common soil, we have 620.30 cubic meter. Embankment from borrowed common soil, we have 228.45 cubic meter. Subgrade preparation, common material, we have 5,133 square meter. Our item 200, we have update sub-base force, 1,351.10 cubic meter. In the item 3111A, Portland Cement Concrete Pavement and Reinforced 0.15 thick, 14 days, we have 1,180 square meter. And for our Portland Cement Concrete Pavement and Reinforced 0.28 thick, 14 days, we have 3,953 square meter. Our item 4041B, we have reinforcing steel grade 60, we have 1,137 kilograms. Item 4041A, reinforcing steel grade 40, we have 15,066 kilograms. Our structural concrete, we have 396 cubic meter. For our drainage and slope protections, we have 5 culverts, 610 mm diameter, class 2 RCPC, we have 7 linear meter. 5 culverts, 910 diameter, class 2 RCPC, 20 linear meter. Catch basin with 910 mm diameter, we have 2. And for our grouted riprap, we have 70.21 cubic meter. And for the miscellaneous structures, we have reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings white, 234.60 square meter. Reflectorized thermoplastic pavement markings yellow, we have 88.50 square meters. And for our single arm solar lead roadway lighting, 9 meter pole, 80 watts to 120 watts, we have 15. And next page would be the quantity sheet. So dito po natin makikita yung quantities ng per stations po natin. Next would be the typical. So we have, in this page we have a typical plan of extending the RCPC po. Kasi widening na po siya, and meron po siyang catch basin and slope protection po. Next would be the typical plan of two-lane pavement po. So dito po natin makikita yung sa jointing po at saka yung panambakal po natin. Next would be the sa curves po natin, detail po niya. And next page is the traverse plan of this project. So we have this beginning of project, and nakaka-indicate naman po dito kung saan banda yung may mga structures po. Location po ng RCPC natin. Next is the detail of line canal po. And you can see the schedule po ng line canal natin at the left side po sa upper portion. Next will be the catch basin. The detail of RCPC po natin. Next page will be the jointing of RCPC, yung sa detail po. Next is the detail of structure ng slope protection po. Naka-indicate na po dyan yung stationing, yung schedule po ng structure natin, pinagit po sa lower portion ng right side po. Next is the detail of grouted riprap po. And next would be the cross-section of this project. So, bali widening po siya. May mga portion na may mga slope protection po kasi medyo malalim. And then may line canal po tayo dito. And may landslide protection din po tayo. So ito po yung intersection ng project na ito. Next page po, sa page 31, makikita po natin yung detail ng solar light po natin. Solar street light po. Next is the pavement markings po natin. Next is the traffic management plan. So yung mga warning signs po natin na dapat ilagay po sa area. And lastly, nandito po yung carpooling, 1 from COA and 2 from DPWH. So that will be all po. And once again, good morning everyone.
Thank you so much, Ms. Queenie Mora. Before I will start, I will Ako nga pala si Mr. Saddam Ali, one of the technical engineer from planning and design section. So I hereby to present one of our flood control projects for batch 4. Contract name: Construction of Riverbank Protection at Barangay Gapok, Senator Ninoy Aquino, Sultan Kudarat. Contract location: Senator Ninoy Aquino, Sultan Kudarat. Source of fund: DPWH 2025. ABC 106,150,000 pesos. Duration 279 calendar days. So the purpose of our flood control structures are to design to protect coastal and riverbank areas, including urban and agricultural communities, homes, and other economically valuable areas, and the people located within them. So yan po yung reason kung bakit tayo may mga project na flood control. The station limit for this project is from station 0 to 200 linear meter at right bank and 0 to 150 at left bank, with a total of 350 linear meter. So ito lang po yung length ng ating project sa Gapok flood control. For the next page, proceed tayo sa mga pages na kailangan lang natin i-explain. So ayan, at page number 6, we have the general plan. As we can see in our projector, nandito po yung Gapok Bridge. For this side, going po ito ng Kulaman or SNA. Supposedly dito po yung going ng Isuran. So, nagkabaliktad lang po sila. So, itong project natin, ito yung Gapok Bridge, dito yung upstream, dito naman yung downstream. So, ang ating project is both side. Ito yung section 1 na 200 meters. Ito, ang sa kabila naman niya, sa tawid niya is section 2, which is 150 meters. So therefore, ang ating project sa Gapok na flood control is both side. Ayan po, both side po sila. So makikita po natin yan sa cross sections. So ito po ang kanyang geolocation map. Ito yung Gapok Bridge. So ito yung section 1. Ito naman yung section 2. Proceed tayo sa ibang pages na ayan. For the summary of quantities at pay item in earthworks, clearing and grabbing, we have a quantity of 3,500 square meter. For individual removal of trees, we have 30 each. And for the same item but different in diameter of trees, we have 5 each. For unsuitable excavation, we have 7,745.15 cubic meter. For shoring, cribbing, and drain excavation, we have 1 lump sum. For embankment from barrow, we have 6,413.95 cubic meter. For concrete slope protection, we have 867.4 cubic meter. For Z-type steel sheet pile, we have 6,825 linear meter. For item 1718 pipe culverts, we have 15 linear meter. For item reinforcing steel grade 40, we have 467 kilogram. And for item grade 60 naman, na reinforcing steel din, we have 1,365 kilogram. And for structural concrete, we have 17 cubic meter. For trees, furnishing and transplanting, we have 35 each. And for the last item, the solar street light, we have 18 each. So dito pa lang po sa ating summary quantities, makikita na po natin kung ano yung meron sa ating project. Meron tayong solar light, meron tayong pipes, type culvert, and the same time may removal of unsuitable excavation, embankment, and concrete slope protection. Na yun na yung ating structure. So proceed tayo sa other page naman, the typical plan of this of the structure of this project. So ito po yung ating typical plan or structure. Yan. Both side po yan. Ito yung sa right side na 200 meters. Ito naman po yung sa left side na 150 meters. So as we can see, hindi lang po siya medyo maklaro yung grid line. Ito na po yung riverbed. Therefore, mag-channeling po tayo, or let's say dredging or channeling, pero ang naka-indicate dito is channeling or channel excavation. Medyo magkalat tayo ng konti. Siguro parang from the bottom of capping, 800 mm lang po yan siya. So ayan po, maximum experience flood based sa actual hanggang dito lang. And then bridge elevation. So yung Gapok bridge po, ito po yung elevation ng Gapok bridge. So therefore, yun po yung base natin sa elevation ng ating structure pagka mag-construct tayo. Kasi isa yan sa mahirap na simula kung ano yung base point ng isang kontrakto. Ano yung base point ng project. Kasi minsan magpanday na lang sila, pero minsan bumababa yung structure. So yan, meron siyang guide. Bridge elevation, siguro mga 0.2 lang ito. 0.2 lang ang taas ng bridge elevation, bridge slab, and then follow naman yung ating structure. Ayan, may note pa po, may note. Structure 2 at left side must only a station from 000 to station 080. The rest station at station 080 to station 150 is structure 1. Okay. Mas naiintindihan po natin ngayon. Itong sa right side is structure 1. Sa left side naman is structure 2. Ibig sabihin, magkaiba sila ng design, di ba? Makita naman sa structure 2, wala siyang ganito. Wala siyang back wall. Ito, ganito lang siya. Pero, si structure 2, meron siyang karugtong na structure 1. From station 080 to 150. Ayan. So, continue po tayo para mas lalo natin maintindihan. Ito po yung bar bending niya. Yung mga ibang details po, nandito na po lahat. So, kung meron po kayong mga clarification, although baka meron po kami hindi nalagay, open po kami from planning and design section to assist you. Especially to the implementing contractors, mga weak falls, stair, details of maintenance stair. Ayan, so proceed po tayo sa cross section. May nakita ko kanina, parang may solar light. So ito po ang ating solar light. So So hoping na ganito po yung ating magiging solar light. At saka yung poste pala ng ating solar light is galvanized. Ang ibig sabihin po ng galvanized is para sa stainless. And then malaki sa baba, pagdating sa taas, palit na po siya. Tampered po ang tawag yun. Tampered. So may napansin lang din po tayo na solar light na na-install sa ibang project natin, parehas po siya ng makal, which is hindi po ganun. So always po tayo mag-base sa standard. Kung ano yung nasa plano, yun po sundin natin. So ito na po siya. Ito yung section 1 natin na structure 1. Proposed right side bank protection. So dito naman banda yung structure 2 sa proposed left side bank protection. Ito na. Ito yung section 2 natin. Section 2. And the rest will be the cross sections of this project. Ayan, cross section niya. So hoping by implementation, pagka po masali ko sa mapunduan, sana is ganito rin po kaganda yung ating structure. So yun lamang po. If any clarification, verification, comments, and suggestion, we are open from planning and design section to assist you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Engineer Sadampi Ali, for the presentation. At this point, we will now proceed to the next agenda, which is the documents to be submitted by the bidders. So, very common na po ito na yung isasubmit ni bidder ay dalawang envelope, technical proposal, and financial proposal. So sa technical proposal po is yung technical component envelope ng Class A documents, under which is the legal documents, the valid field registration certificate, it should be platinum, the Securities and Exchange Commission, the DTI, and or CDA, and the mayor's or business permit issued by the city or municipality where the principal place of business of the prospective bidder is located, of course, and tax clearance for EO number 398 series of 2005. I just would like to tell our bidders na para po ma-avoid yung i-delay ng bidding process, especially sa opening of bids, nire-remind ko sana yung mga bidders na please i-update nyo po yung utility documents nyo dun sa CWA Central Office para po maiwasan po natin yung delay. Let's continue sa under the technical component envelopes, the technical documents, which includes the statement of the prospective bidder about its ongoing government and private contracts, including contracts awarded but not yet started, if any. Dapat po dinidisclose ni bidder yung kanyang mga all ongoing government and private contracts kasi po part po yun ng computation ng NFCC. Next is the statement of the bidder's single largest completed contract or the SLCC. It is similar to the contract to be bid. And of course the pickup license, or in case of joint ventures, yung special pickup, and then yung joint venture agreement. And then the original copy of its security, bid declaration ay original and notarized. Other project requirements which shall include the following. Of course, yung organizational chart, yung list of contractors, key personnel, yung project manager, yung project engineer, yung materials engineers, and the foreman, dapat nakatas po doon yung documents na ito. And make sure na yung mga project manager, yung project engineer, lalo na yung materials engineers, dapat po accredited ng DPWH para po dun sa CWA. Next is the list of contractors' major equipment units, which are kung na list, dapat merong proof of ownership, or kung at kilala, dapat merong proof of or certification of availability of equipment from the equipment lessor or vendor for the duration of the project. Tsaka yung as per DEO number 11, yung inclusion po ng minimum testing materials equipment and the technical component of the bid. Dapat po yan naka-attach. Pagka yung present, automatic mag-discount po tayo during the preliminary investigation. And of course, we have the OSS or the dapat original, yung omnibus loan statement, saka yung new form which is comprising of 10 items. And so let's now proceed to the financial documents. Of course, it will include the audited financial statement and prospective bidders computation of NFCC or the net financial contracting capacity of the bidder. In case of Class B documents, pagka halimbawa joint venture, yung po yung sinasabi ko nila na dapat makasama ko ng attach yung joint venture agreement, nakulas with RA number 4566 or duly notarized statement from all potential joint venture partners stating that they will enter into and abide by the provisions of the JVA in the instance that the bid is successful. So next envelope is the financial proposal. Under the financial proposal is of course yung duly signed and accomplished financial bid form, dapat po ay original po yun. Duly signed, of course. Then the accomplished yung detailed estimates, summary of sheet indicating the unit prices of construction materials, labor rates, and equipment rentals used in coming up with the bid. And last, the cash flow by quarter. So yan po yung laman ng financial proposal, 4. So please be guided. And again, nire-remind ko po yung mga team leaders na sana i-update niyo po yung eligibility documents nyo sa CWA Central Office para po ma-expedite po yung ating bidding process, lalo na sa opening of bids para po maiwasan ng delay. So pagka po meron po kayong clarifications or suggestions or any query, please kindly inform us the back of this office. Hindi po yung mag-chat sa chat box kung nakikinig kayo o nanonood kayo, o pwede rin kayong pumunta sa office namin sa back para po ma-address po namin yung concern nyo. And yun lamang po, and we will now proceed to the next agenda, which is the criteria and procedure of eligibility check, the preliminary examination of bids, detailed evaluation of bids, post-qualification, and award. Asa ano po, yung it is understood na familiar naman po yung mga bidder about sa CWA. So yung electronic eligibility check po natin ay piniperform electronically through a system called Civil Works Application. So very familiar naman po yung mga bidder natin sa CWA. Bago po tayo nagkakonduct ng eligibility processing, nagkakonduct po muna tayo ng contract profiling. During contract profiling, dito po natin ini-input sa system yung mga basic contract data. Like for example, ang pinaka-importante is yung what do you call this, the contract ID. Contract ID, the contract name, the major work category, the duration, the ABC. Yun po yung mga data na ini-input po natin. Kasi yun po yung basihan ni CWA para ma-determine po kung si bidder ay eligible or ineligible. So, bali lahat po ito, wala po itong human intervention. Yung eligibility nyo po ay computed po ang ma-check. So, yung eligibility check natin is done parang simultaneous with opening of bids. Habang po yung mga back members yung nag-open ng technical proposal, tayo naman po nag-conduct ng electronic eligibility processing. During sa electronic eligibility processing, meron po tayong summary of letter of intent. So, yung mga bidder lamang po na mayroong resibo at saka nag-draft ng kanyang envelope, ayan po lamang po makasali sa electronic eligibility processing. By the way, yung electronic eligibility processing po natin sa CWA is per project po yun, per contract ID number. Para po maging eligible bidder po tayo, the bidder should pass the electronic eligibility. Siyempre, kailangan pasado na yung sa CWA. And then, the technical and financial envelope must be complying against the corresponding checklist. So, yung meron pong checklist yung financial at yung technical proposal po ninyo. Ang back po ay gumagamit ng non-discretionary pass-fail criteria. O ito po yung presence or absence ng documents based doon po sa checklist. So, para maging eligible bidder, dapat pumasa kayo sa CWA, and then yung financial and technical proposal nyo po ay pumasa din as per checklist. Presence or absence ng po yung documents. After opening and reading of all the technical and financial proposals of the bidders for contract list to be bid, immediately preliminary investigations of the submitted bids will follow until the lowest bidder is determined. So, in cases of motion for reconsideration, pagka po yung back, nakita niya na na-meritorious po yung request for consideration, we submit request for unlocking together with the supporting documents to the CW Central Office. Doon po sa CW Central Office, yung ating pong request for unlocking ay ini-evaluate po yun ni CWA. And then pagka po nag-grant, i-inform po na tayo via text message na nag-grant na po yung ating request for unlocking, and pwede na po tayong mag-rerun ng electronic eligibility processing. So, sinasabihan po nila tayo na pwede na tayong mag-reprocess ulit concerning the bidder. So, during sa opening of bids, of course, mag-determine po agad natin yung lowest bidder. Makita po natin yung bid, kung sino yung pinakamababa. Of course, yan po yung lowest bidder. Pero again, naliman ko po yung bidders natin na pag hindi po ibig sabihin na lowest bidder kayo, isa hindi po ma-award yung contract. Kasi po, after ng preliminary, si DPWH po ay mag-conduct ng detailed bid evaluation to determine the lowest calculated bidder. So after ng preliminary investigation, si TWG ay magpupusit sa detailed bid evaluation dun sa lowest bidder. Pagka po pumasa si lowest bidder, siya po yung magiging lowest calculated bidder. Pero hindi po ibig sabihin na pag kayo po ang lowest calculated bidder, ay kayo sa inyo po maawag ng project. Kasi po, si DPWH ay magpupusit ng post qualification doon sa lowest calculated bidder. Pag si lowest calculated bidder ay bumagsak sa post qualification, immediately si DPWH ay magpupusit ng post qualification doon sa second lowest bidder. Pagka po na disqual po sa post qualification, next naman po sa third lowest and so on and so forth, hanggang po ma-determine po natin hanggang po ma-determine ni DPWH yung lowest calculated responsive bid. So from lowest calculated, magiging lowest calculated responsive bid na po tayo. Pagka meron po tayong lowest calculated responsive bid, mag-i-issue po si BAC ng resolution recommending award to the lowest calculated responsive bid and to be approved by the head of the procuring entity. So, yun po yung brief description po ng ating eligibility processing. And kung meron po kayong questions, let us know po and we will try our best to address your concern. Salamat po. I think I'm going to give the floor to the head of the procurement unit, Sir Damien, for the next agenda set.
Next is the question, comments from the bidders and replies of another representative building entity. Meron ba? Okay. So, let's proceed to the other matters. For the other matters, we require the prospective bidders to submit the clear copies of their bid documents. Three copies for the each project, or clear copies, not recycled copies, but it is a clear copy. So please be reminded also that the Department Order 28, which is the three-strike policy, please be informed to the prospective bidders for this Department Order. Usually to the address to the prospective bidders for the three-strike policy. Submission of invalid documents. Next is for the other matters. Wala na sir.
Schedule na lang sir. Drafting.
So next is to the schedule of droppings to be given by Mr. Alan Prino. So please read us.
So yung coverage po ng ating yung DVDs, tatlong contract. Hindi pa yung 0013, hindi pa yung 0025, hindi pa yung 0069. So yung preview niyo po is today, yung deadline po ng drafting ay sa November 6, 2024 before 10 o'clock a.m. Late bids shall not be accepted. So after which, after ng deadline ng 10 o'clock a.m., proceed na po agad tayo sa opening of bids. So please be guided po dun sa ating schedule ng drafting and opening. Sir, with the next agenda.
Next is the Let's proceed to the summary of proceedings, including the supplemental or there's any bid bulletins to be issued. So kindly read us the summary of proceedings. Ma'am Ibon sa Magaysay.
Summary of proceedings. The basic contract data including contract description, ABC and duration was discussed by the engineers from Planning and Design section. Requirements of bidding documents including instructions to bidders, general conditions of contract, special conditions of contract, specification, drawings, bill of quantities, and form was discussed by Mr. Alan Preno, our back secretariat, as well as the documents to be submitted by the bidders. The technical component envelope, both Class A and B documents, was discussed by Mr. Alan Preno, as well as the criteria and procedure for eligibility check, preliminary examination of bids, detailed evaluation of bids, post-qualification and award. And as per check in the streaming, there is no questions from the bidders. For other matters, bidders are required to provide 3 clear copies of the documents, and in the DEO 28, the strike policy, the 3-strike policy. That will be all.
Asad, additional lang po dito sa last gen. Meron po kasing na-issued na supplemental bid bulletin number 1. This concerns the DPWH 0030. Meron pong supplemental bid bulletin. Remind ka na po dun sa mga prospective bidders. Let's check the PGFs and the DPWH website kasi posted naman po ito, sir. This supplemental bid bulletin is concerned the minimum major equipment requirements. So meron po ditong changes. Yung changes po is due to typographical error. So again, kindly check na lang po yung PGFs for the supplemental bid bulletin. And please be guided po. Thank you. Back to you, sir. For the adjournment, I think.
So if there's any other matters, I move to adjourn and close this pre-bid conference at exactly 11:48 in the morning.